Boys and girls, let's dive into another cheap ass drill. This one is that Shopseries drill. I had high hopes for it. I mean, it looked pretty nice, but it wasn't. In fact, it smoked on the first bit I put into it. So let's open her up, see what we got. Now, I was pretty excited about this because, like I said, if you're walking through Walmart or something looking for a first drill, just moved out of your parents' house or something, this came with a kit with drill bits and stuff. Albeit cheap, but you know, still came as a kit. See what we got here. She's still hot. She's got regular Phillips head screws. We're gonna have to get these out. Now, I certainly am not good at telling you what's inside, but there's a bunch of people in my comments who are. And I appreciate their feedback because they kind of helped me out big time there. So it looks like we just have a plastic little thing here. It's pretty, doesn't even break, it just flexes. So we got one more screw up here. Let's get her out. Alright. So the grip's not bad. I mean, pretty standard rubber over molding there. Take her apart and let's see what we got. This is just ABS plastic. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can point, but you can see it's ABS. Lots of flex in that. So far, I mean, the Hyper Tough, when I took that apart, that was 10 times better than this. Oh man, you can really flex on that. See inside, you can still hear it kind of smoking, burning up. Whew, that engine is hot, real hot. Alright, so we got ABS there. The switch says Intertech on it. Let's see, we got the LED down here. So I'll let you guys see the wiring from the battery. Goes up into the switch. Out of the switch goes, I got these staked on where the battery is. You take this out and we're staked on to the motor there. So if you can see, switch is a Hengjia. If you guys can see that. There's my camera focus. take this out here. So we're staked on in the back. You can still hear it cooking. So I'm gonna get some gloves real quick, or something to protect myself from the burns. Alright. See if we can't pull this motor off. Look at that. You see that? It was pinched. You can see right there, that connector. It's exposed wire. Is this an all-in-one here? Oh, there we go. Alright, so we got that off. Got some green schmoo. And let's have a look inside here. Whoa! Off, and I'm gonna go pound this out and we'll have a look. Alright, so I bring back the goods. Got magnets in there, you can see top and top, or top and bottom. This is the writing on here. It says CRS 555 pH, 18 volt, 42418. And I have never seen that white stuff in there. I don't know what that is. But here, I'll let you guys take a close-up look at that. Is that something that fried up? I don't know. Little plastic fan on the back. So that's that. You got your brushes that go on the, it's still hot, go back here like so, and that's just at the end of the motor housing. Let's look inside the green goodness. Looks like we got two pins here holding this all together, which is actually a detail I have not seen in the cheaper drills. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. See, these pins pull out. They don't want you inside, I guess. Let's see if we get in there. Ah, there we go. Take that off. And we are inside. The pretty common, standard. These all look the same. Question is, how do you get this to come off? Well, we'll just keep pulling apart here as we can. Now, I will say there's a pretty good amount of shmoo in there. Alright. Get to the second piece. Got bearings and whatnot and more grease. Ball bearings and pins. Pins down here. Like that. So that's it, man. Thanks for joining me on that teardown. I still hear something crack-a-lacking, but she's pulled apart now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Catch you guys on the next one.